I'm starting to feel cold even though I've got this beautiful sweater on. No, it's a hoodie. Yes, I have this beautiful hoodie on, and today I have my first ever, can you believe it, my first ever ASOS haul. I wanted to record this in golden hour light so I didn't have to use artificial lighting, but that isn't happening because it's already starting to get dark. I did go for a walk today because the weather was absolutely beautiful, but the park that I went to was packed, so you win, you lose. Yeah, and this is a park that I know everybody would be like the park where the kids play. That area was absolutely packed, which is crazy to think that during COVID that is still happening. I know, I can understand kids really need some entertainment. They can't, you know, stay in one place, like they need that entertainment. But this was crazy, man. It was like everything was back to normal. So enough rambling from me. I have an ASOS haul and I'm actually wearing some pieces from my ASOS haul. It is going to be a try on. I am, for reference, a size 18. I'm going to be honest. Like, I've always been insecure about my weight and what's going on. Yeah, let me just share you guys this ASOS haul with you. And this is the first time I was buying off them. It did take a couple of days longer than I would have thought for them to ship it to me, to post it to me. But it wasn't a big deal. It still ended up coming. I placed 2 orders and they both, 2 separate orders, but they both came together in the same parcel. A lot of this stuff I don't know if I'm keeping, but obviously if I'm wearing it, that means I'm keeping it. So I might as well show you guys the first thing that I'm wearing. It's this hoodie, absolutely oversized. Comes with a hat. Of course, if it's a hoodie it comes with a hat. And it has a big X on here. You know, this X reminds me of the Plus album by Ed Sheeran, and I love this. Down the arm it says Collusion X. So, and it has 2 pockets. I'm going to show you it in depth anyway. So, and it's really nice and baggy. I did get a massive size, and the band you get at the bottom was quite tight on the 2XL, like it was just hugging my legs too much. So I just wanted to get this one because it didn't feel as uncomfortable. Okay, let's move on to the rest of the stuff that I bought. Now, I'm one of those girls that doesn't actually buy designer branded stuff. Like, I've never owned anything Adidas. That's a lie. I've owned trainers, but they were secondhand, and I've never owned any like Adidas or Nike clothing. So this was probably the most expensive hoodie I've ever bought in my life, and that will tell you a lot. Since this hoodie was £18, quality is amazing. It feels so nice and soft and comfortable on the inside and even on the outside. It's that kind of material that a lot of things won't cling to it. So like a lot of those little white, you know, fluffies won't cling to it, and it just feels really nice and soft and like foamy, I want to say, but like sweater material-ish. I did get 10% off my order with student discount, and yet this hoodie was £18, and obviously I would have got 10% off. I did get a size 2XL and 3XL. I'm going to keep the 3XL and give the 2XL back. I did also get this in a grey, which I do really like. I don't know if I should keep it though, because I don't want to buy too many of these hoodies, because obviously summer is coming up and spring will be coming up, so it's just going to be a lot of clutter in my wardrobe. But the thing is, I really do like these hoodies a lot. Collusion is a unisex brand from ASOS as well, and they've got a ton of clothes on there. The hoodie just stood out for me. I didn't know they had joggers, so maybe I should get the matching joggers too. This is the grey version. Oh my god, look, it looks really nice, doesn't it? My husband told me to get the grey because I always have a lot of stuff in black, but now I feel like keeping the grey. One strange thing about ASOS is that a lot of their clothing don't have actual, you know, those plasticky paper tags that if you take them off, that's it, you can't return it. These don't actually have them on there, so even if you tried them on, you could still give them back. So yep, Collusion, it has the big tag on the inside. This is exactly the same one but in a grey version, and this is also the 3XL. I'm actually really tempted to keep it. I think this will be nice in the spring, but I wonder how hot it will make me. The hood is actually quite nice. If I can show you guys, let me bring this forward. Do you think this is going to mess up my... Look at that. The hood is actually... Obviously I look crazy now, but if I tucked everything in, The hood is actually nice, and I've even got a bun as well, and it still kind of fits nicely around the face, and you do get the 2 strings that you can just pull and look like a munchkin. But yeah, so the hood is actually nice. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, this is the grey version. I'm going to show you trying it on. It's exactly the same. These are what the strings look like. Maybe you can see the contrast, because with black really you can't even see a contrast unless it's in the air. Yep. And these are so soft as well, like they don't strangle your wrists. And this is what I was talking about, the bottom being nice and stretchy. So I bought that. That was also £18 too. I really want to keep it. Let me know down below if I should keep the grey version, because I absolutely love the black version. Oh, did I mention that the collusion wear came with these stickers? It's actually quite funny, because I'm just like, what are you supposed to use them for? So they are stickers that you can, I don't know, keep, stick, do what you want with them. Yeah, I did buy some joggers that are really, really comfortable, that are kind of like, they match. They're a thinner material to the hoodie, so I don't know how long they will last, but they do have pockets, which I absolutely love. And they are cinched in from the bottom, and they are very comfortable. Yeah, and it does have like a little, you know, the string you get, it has that, and it's black and white, so I think that's a nice touch. Basic joggers though, so I'm happy with that. Okay, I'm just getting up all the prices of how much everything costed. Yeah, they were £14 for 2. I wanted to get the ones from Asda, but Asda didn't have them in stock, and I've been looking for quite some time, so I ended up getting these. And these are just your standard leggings. The only thing is, I don't know how sheer they will be. Sorry, it's the contrast with my face. You can't even see my face. Yeah. I don't know how sheer they will be, because when I tried it on, they were a tiny bit sheer. Just the tiniest bit. Can you see that? But I feel like they're still quite comfortable. I do like the material. This is made from... These are a size 18. These are made from... viscose, 93% viscose and 7% elastane. And I feel like with viscose it's more breathable than like if you were to get cotton, so I think that will be really nice. And I like the fact that these are not like those shiny leggings. I really don't like shiny leggings. I don't think they look flattering at all. So I just picked up 2 pairs of leggings that I can wear with my dresses when I start to feel uncomfortable. Okay, those are the things I bought. So I bought 2 of the grey hoodie in the size 3XL and 2XL, because I wasn't sure what to get. And then I bought the leggings in size 18 and 16 just to make sure, but I prefer 18, never know. I ended up getting that full price with the 10% off. So let's move on to the sale stuff I picked up. The joggers that I bought, that I'm wearing right now, they were £12.20, which is okay. I bought them in a size 20 because my hips are quite big. And they are actually quite loose, so, and it does come with a string, so you can tighten it as much as you want to. Then I picked up these joggers. They're supposed to be black, but can you see the difference? They're not black. They're like a, you know, like a worn black or a worn dark grey black. That's what they're like. And these come with a more ruffled kind of top. And it does come with a string, so you can tighten it again. I do like trousers that you can tighten, because it doesn't matter what size it is. If it's a big size, you can always tighten it. It does have pockets. The pockets are quite decent and big. And again, they are cinched at the bottom with the same ruffling style. Yeah, I didn't know how I felt about these, because these are a grey black. So maybe they'll go nicely with the grey hoodie, so we'll see. I just wanted some decent pairs of hoodies and joggers, because everybody seems to be rocking them right now, and I'm just like not, because I'm constantly wearing work clothes, but now I want to wear something comfortable. So then that was £12.20. Then I picked up another hoodie that I'm probably going to give back. This is the other black hoodie that I picked up, and this was supposed to be like a dress hoodie, and I got this in 3XL too. It does say UK 8, sorry, this is a size 18, and it comes, when I wear it on, it comes under, like it goes past my bum, so that gets covered. And it's very similar to the one I'm wearing right now, but except the fact that this is plain, and the fact that this doesn't have like that kangaroo pouch, doesn't have any pockets, which is kind of a downfall. This doesn't have the little what they're called. Oh no, it does. They're called eyelets. Sorry, this one has black eyelets, whereas the one on here has silver eyelets. That's the detailing, and it is just a basic black dress, hoodie dress. The only thing is the band on the bottom is a lot bigger, and I don't know, I feel like if I'm going to keep this one, there's no need for me to keep this one, because this one also does, because it's big enough, it does cover my bottom. But we'll see. I feel like I'm going to return this one. I feel like I will, because I think 2 hoodies is enough for me. Okay, and that was £14.50 that hoodie was. Then I picked up this white shirt. This is just a plain white shirt. I'm going to show you me trying it on. It kind of seems a bit boxy, so, and the sleeves are a bit shorter, so I wish they were a tiny bit longer, like boy sleeves. But yeah, and I love the quote on here. It says, "Don't look back, you're not going that way." Which is totally true. Really, we shouldn't. Do I trust myself with the white shirt? We'll have to see. But this was a size 18. Yep, I bought this in a size 18, and I feel like this will be really nice with jeans, or even if I wear this and my joggers, you know, just a casual little look. Probably better with jeans and then like a little bit of it tucked in, but this just goes right up to your waist. I have quite a long torso, so it goes right up to my waist, so there's no like coverage. So I don't know how I feel about that as well, but then I can always wear this, and they'll wear one of my little shirts, one of my little checkered shirts with it, because they're like baggier and they'll cover my bottom anyway, so could be just like a layering piece. So, and that shirt was £4.80, which is not that bad, to be fair, especially since Primark is shut now, and actually Primark quality is a lot lower compared to this ASOS stuff. Then I picked up 2 of these. I picked up this long dress. It's huge, absolutely huge. Kind of reminds me of like a rugby shirt, but it's huge. You see me try it on. This is in the shade. I'm thinking of makeup. This is in the size 18, and it's ASOS brand. And what I love the most about this is the sleeves, that they're the perfect length. They're not like, you know, sometimes some sleeves, they don't even get right up to your wrist, but this goes right up to your wrist, and I think this will be really nice because it's quite big to wear with leggings, so I can get away with wearing it as a dress. It is kind of supposed to be like a dress. So this was £7.95. And I also, it says on oversized dress type thing on the website. And I also bought the same thing in a black and grey as well. So I feel like these are going to be staple pieces, just like comfort pieces, and again with the long sleeves. And this was also £7.92, so bought that. Those stripy dresses, I did also pick them up in a size 20, and they were absolutely huge for me right now, so I ended up just sticking with the size 18s because they're fitted and they're quite oversized anyway. So yeah, that was all of the things I picked up from ASOS, and it was my first haul, and I really actually I'm happy with a lot of the stuff, to the point where I'm just like, that some of the things I just bought for the sake of buying so I could just see what I thought of them, and I ended up really liking especially the hoodies. So I am going to keep it. The black one, obviously I'm wearing it, but the grey one, let me know down below whether I should keep it or not. And yeah, that's it. That's all of the stuff that I bought from ASOS. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this try on. If you do like videos like this, let me know down below. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, so you're kept up to date with any other videos that I post. And I shall see you in my next video. Bye.